Fucking freezer not working. Looks like nothing's on. Go up on the roof, check it out. Defrost. There's no ice in the coil. There's no power. Check it out. So 218. So we are getting voltage to the time clock. Verify. That's N and 1. 218. To kick out a defrost. There's no lights on the board. What is defrost? I think it is number 3 for defrost. So it's in defrost. Let's see. So for 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Also, it's just that's a switch. So that's open. Let's try 2 to 4. Says that's the same thing. So both switches are open. Pitted contactor. Got ourselves a bad time clock. Change it out. Along with that contactor. Start it up. See what we have. So got the load side of the contactor in and one of the side of the coils. Time to do the line side. Mark the time clock. Let's check the time. Watch it go down a little bit and then check defrost. See if they want to order the wall thermometer. That's a wrap. Go downstairs, check it out. Check out the electrical. Looks good. That's it, guys. That's it. It's a wrap. It's cold in here. Gotta get out of here.